Last week, the HRCP raised concerns about the government's decision to abolish the 2% public and private company employment quota for persons living with disabilities by deleting Section 459 of the Companies Act 2017 through a presidential ordinance in May. Later, on Twitter, Secretary of the Ministry of Human Rights Rabia stated that the deletion of this section from the Companies Act would not jeopardize the job quota guarantee. While the Secretary's responsiveness ought to be appreciated, this episode highlights issues that can arise through hastily promulgated ordinance without stakeholder feedback and parliamentary debate and oversight. Hopefully, the briefing from the chairman SECP before the Senate Functional Committee on Human Rights scheduled for today will bring clarity to this issue. Disability rights advocates have every reason to be wary of their protections being eroded and seek an official guarantee from the government that this one remains intact. Labor protections in this country are weakly enforced in general and more so for PWDs who have been historically barred from accessing their rights and opportunities on an equal basis. Despite ratifying the UN Convention on the Rights of PWDs in 2011, Pakistan has made little to no progress to help bring these citizens into the mainstream fold through inclusive policies in every sphere and at every level of government. There has been legislative progress at both the federal and provincial levels since on disability rights, yet implementation remains piecemeal and negligible. The spirit of the UNCRPD demands an approach in which disability is factored into all decision-making process. Merely filing job quotas will never lead to systematic change if this effort is not blended with comprehensive measures of facilitate PWD's participation in society by ensuring all their rights are affirmatively upheld. Without these, Pakistan will never be able to redress decades of stigma and discrimination of PWDs. Far more Pakistanis are estimated to have some form of disability than is officially recorded. It is time to treat them seriously.